Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho mugeria morgobonde na ende nkora nganga asore mbuyore alitkunnerie Jumatatu kitariki 15 mucyenyu kianda umwaka 2025 ngakienego kwarigane bene imeye message yamangana maya ayesoko TV oikaranse nkomanyi hayene twatika korwa chingongo au chinse nyoranga abagenda gutubwati asemetanda yeto ya YouTube amona Facebook na baigo asewitense meria pang amona signet na baiga no konyore meroberio senchirero yobe kana maria tana nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Na gochakira mwanchu mugeria tigato chake kurwa se county ya Kisii asabatanene iba matatu imeyomochi ogusi nigo besokire na kokolera gosegwa kigitambukiro kimugabana abwe county ya Kisii gyokorosia ibara ya daraja moja eyo yaserekire mono asege kamono igo nonyeni igo bono yaro sibwe asebate bidenga ninga nigitambukire kamo kiguchi igo keania gosego keania mbasakano yegendrete kwene kibwe sensemi ya daraja mbiri ase ege kagitambe nonyeni nigo obate ingo arati atatenga esegetambo kerogio okwenda ese enyombene yobora ya State House eikiri ya eta nigo abateneri abwe banyoreko abakoreterwa amagendero au gose nigo amenyi ebe county ya Kisii bona barachikenya bakonyora amagendero au imeyomochio yo
Maria Dan Joseph Wagoti chano modera butauni ga Kisii enwa kira simba mbia mona soka rosie bararo stiptara ja moja alia kwanya yawe ile bitonge binge sana ya tusumbuire ngakienda mokora ngajari jigo jarji abarji nyinge tusinywa ngaba na de ya otoroserie ba lakini wana roje ngoro sirie ba ngia sana timbu atiana na rayo
ya taraja moja para ya taraja moja ya itire abanta bangi twaene kiria amakweli amange akoba kila lituko na kile linde bono buna bono mora ito baba simba arati achie dal State House ndogo toko tabanga inechero sigwe bakwane n'abantu ba Kenya bagatanga kubikwe na ndoko sabanga yale kubikwa efrayova eminyoko yasoka taraja mbili yasoka jogo yasoka mwembe tumaitenga chia challenge bachiko kungwa gagu ase 90% ikera yoko chikumyoko chimwembe akumyoko chimwembe yokumyoko taraja mbili akumyoko taraja mbili omyoko bisumo myoko taraja mbili goro oyo kana mojogo myoko jemira oliyo ngo mosanga mandu chikobo ora chikunyara gokora ti accident gali na nyine jiboda boda na choji nyora se chikumyoko buya chitabwatimo yani kutuma na kondo once na bana buna bali bakotamba ko ba Kisipori Kisii University banyara se bakotale njira yabuya tokonyara ngamusapa mubase kono para ko chikotoko bona ngo pongesa umo raito simba ko ngande ko tumaitenga no ngande kolegas ngande no maitenga 27 ngangere kolegas yao buna watete neta na toto ko rogo komesa buneta gusi kera chichi ose the outskirts of Kisii arole kana ko abuneta
ito simbarati mbiyamono asengenje baranere yatuchandire bunabono taraja moja aiga yatuchandira matuka mange ajali jabe iroji nyinge lakini indoche nga aftaru ete State House ndoche nga nakwanete nga epare inkorosi gwere igonko mwagera mbiyamono
na gutigana anayo kure sensemo ya daraja moja mwanchu mulgeria nigo Francis Amenya ndubi oye obeire gakoboria kirogo kyobwe MCA bwe kinyoro ase gose asentunde ntambe nigo naende bono esokirie na koraria uchi abasoya setebe kurwanere kirogo kyobwe MCA naende bosio bochorio boke obore mutwe Amenya oyue okorete enamba ya kabere ase chikura chio mwaka w'ekibebe na 13 maiga yomo speaker abono bwe county area ya Nyamira Thaddeus nigo Nyabaro nigo esokirie na kuboria bamenyi ibe kinyore kyo komosira asega ngaya yo kuryo bwe MCA area nyare ko bakorera amagendero
Samarieta kandi France Amenya ndubi yankuru ase kinyoro ya Ikonge location masjid location kire Kerenyo ward njibuna amenya na beru murwaniriri bw'ekikura ky'ewodi yaitu ya Kerenyo ase emyaka 20 yairire egisieki yaguseke benkelinga tina ikira ko murai ekiagera nkole meruli n'ekikura ase tofauti kero kende buna bono 2013 nabo nyori nabo ekikura isatu 2017 chikura isatu nawe go 2022 chikura 46 tende nale goteba twabiri ko no minto aba minta utera ko ko mono minto nyabaro oyo nyasa sese ni akanyore kiro kyo bo MC abo speaker so asinginje kiro ya tigaire bosa na irire gatambo kinande ko boli kiro kiri kya na bwato moyo nekirenga kyo okorera abantu baitu oyo minto nyabaro okorire mirimo asinga kiria arengo lakini ndikonye kipindi tikeraera nali kuburia abantu ba minto kiagira na bwato moyo bambwatisia soko ngali bageri go mtatigeire sali tigeire kolengane mirubire ya bwate kero kindi ndi tigata matengo nyali ko yitabukia tukule kipindi yitu kia kiga kegenderete nchibuna amenya na bwate kerenge liogio yo kuburie ebo emeremeye ase tikiti ya upa lakini on the process ingaikira sinko nyora tini konyora ticket ye ingaikase ko kananga ngutigara bosekera na tutuganye konye ko kana chikura chia one chinke eske chinke bone ta kiro support yo montonde kolengana na inche ne na my potentiality na matukuna irin kuriya gasie tingisa ni kitina abantu ba minto tigasa ni kitina chikia gara bamwate muno murai on the process ekanyali kana kanyoranga the government the party ticket ya UDA tira tuara candidate so nanche ngate masana mera ko nyali kana agera nyoli bagerio bone nyasaro muya nkanyora nancheirwe nabo igo tuara ngina ba minta abange even we went ochigo kurusia dispute ngana kingo kwenda kutware ticket iye kagara ba minto abatu alinge komo bakanyanjira ngani nchende wose
mwanchu mogera utikanajo tiga tosuke emotwe asebono obwatani bwebya mabege siasa gwetane 50 nigo bya mwachiri buroro ekiombe ekeria akyobochori amone chimbe imeyense ya Kenya IEBC asekerianga nigo kia abarugose nigo kia baombirie bakorawa na Dr. Augustus Kiaro oyure omurai ibwe kiama ya NLP nigo baragire buroro habisi yokurikie bya imeyense ya Kenya ORPP asenjama ayogotaka kobaura okurika kwabo abune bya mabege siasa imeyense ya Kenya.
My name is Augustus Muli and I'm party leader of National Liberal Party. I'm reading this statement on behalf of all these party leaders and leaders of various political parties in the country. In 2009, after Kenya almost sank under 2007 post-election violence, IREC, led by the South African judge Johan Kriegler, recommended the formation of PPLC, or Political Parties Liaison Committee. PPLC is a platform for dialogue between political parties, registrar of political parties, and the IEBC. Democracy must be defended by all means, and we as political parties shall defend it to the very end. It is so unfortunate that the ORPP can deny political parties and Kenyans at large their right to belong to political parties. As things stand now, one cannot be recognized as a member of a political party, even if he or she has an identity card. One must be registered as a voter. This is a matter that is currently in courts, and we are hoping for a favorable verdict so as to correct this anomaly so that Kenyans can belong to a political party, whether you are a voter or not. In this regard, over 40 political parties have met and have decided to start a journey of unity together. As forces outside the political system conspire to destroy political parties and take this country back to the dark eras of detention and dictatorship, these political parties have today resolved to work together, stand together, and help each other. As we are speaking today, 54 fully registered political parties have been starved of funds, public funds, taxpayers' funds. And as a result, many have to struggle, even just to maintain offices and generally maintain party affairs. And this is a matter of great concern, not nationally, but internationally.
O mwanchumulira tugutigana yo togoska motutu tamukimba kese county ya Machakos ase omokonyi ibwe mugabana abwe county ya Machakos Francis Mwangangi amochirwa rabara ibalia abakogenda ase nyombe nene yobora ya State House amona abarimu kinga kyate bunanga ukono wekarani amagani abo barabwa abanyene nagotigana gose nago ibaba abana inchi bari batekwa abakabachora nonye nigo atebire buna omura ibwense William Ruto nigo asinyirwe kanichira kiri aliyerete abana inchi aya yose nigo mwangigina yakwa naya ekiraikerana ase kanisa ya St. Zemon deni imeye county ya Machakos.
Saa hii waadhiri wa vyuo vikuu wamesema wanaenda mgomo. Siku hizi father tumerudi mtindo ambao uliisha zamani sana. Mtindo wa ikiwa watu wa Muthesia mnataka maendeleo, sasa mnabebwa hapa 10,000, 5,000. Mnapelekwa mahali hapa chini kwa Kithure Kindiki ama kule kwa mkubwa wetu wa nchi kule Ikuru. Alafu mkitoka hapo 10,000 each one of you. 10. Acheni niwaambie, wakati wa rais watatu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na naibu wake Kalonzo Musyoka, naongea juu ya Mheshimiwa Rais watatu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ambaye naibu wake alikuwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Hata ukienda Ikuru haungepewa kikombe ya chai kwa sababu hiyo fedha ilikuwa inatumwa kuwatumikia wananchi. Saa hii hiyo fedha mnasema hiyo maendeleo hapa moyoni, fedha ndio hiyo mnaenda kupewa huko 10,000 each. 10,000 people each 10,000. How much is that? 100 million. If it is 100 million, hebu angalia hiyo fedha ikiletwa hapa Ndidhini itafanya kazi kiasi gani? The policies are upside down ya hii serikali, na ndio maana tumesema alternative Kalonzo Musyoka is the alternative. Ndio kiboko ya hao. Wasipotengeneza mambo, wangoje wa Kenya wataamua. Sawa. Because we want watu waendelee. Sasa walimu walikuwa Ikulu juzi wakapewa iti 10,000. Leo wanasema wanataka kungoma. Bwana hii. Yaani wameenda wamechukua haki yao wakitoka nje.
Na utiga na yo omokonyi wo mugabana abwe county ya Machakos omwanchomogeria nigobono omonogeri ibwe serikali Isaac Mwaura akwanire igoro yo buyabo muroberi olibwo bwaga kigwe kinyomba kya magoria inse nabayigo emeroberi ao serikali ebegete kwenekyanga inyese ya Kenya nkochiere kwimuka igoro na ese bitambokero ao una obonchoreria anonye uchumi yense ya Kenya.
This progress has resulted in the creation of more than 330,000 jobs in the construction and Jua Kali sectors. Within this financing, 4.4 billion has been ring-fenced for the Jua Kali artisans. More than 1,000 artisans have been certified to supply materials, with 3,855 new mortgages having been issued at lower interest rates to ensure that many more Kenyans have a chance at home ownership. In agriculture, Kenya is now better. We have food security. We have better commodities prices. And also inflation has come down significantly to 4.8%. Kenyans are now accessing more affordable food supplies in the markets, while farmers are reporting better earnings from their produce. In particular, the price of unga has reduced by 34% from as high of 250 shillings to about 160 on average currently. ensuring that households have access to safe and reasonably priced varieties. This is because of the fertilizer subsidy, which has really significantly reduced from Kenya shilling 7,000 per bag to 2,500, a reduction of 5,000 shillings, which is very good savings. We have saved billions of shillings for Kenyans. Jobs, loans, and opportunities. Through the formalization of the 2.25 million small businesses and the upgrading of 31 constituency industrial development centers, the government has created over 9,000 jobs and ensured that more young people have access to employment opportunities. The establishment of cold storage facilities, incubation hubs, and the varied trade fairs that have been conducted at the county levels have also opened up new markets for the young entrepreneurs. One may ask, how is this happening? We do have the
na gusika mutu mwancho mugereria nigense ya Kenya bono yabekire meroberio yo gutanga okwamba kuroko boreire bori ba tripo no musumya sisi obwe ebo kworetwa gwetera okoromwa anechingege kokwana mwaziri ibo izara eria ajobore mimense ya Kenya Muthai Kagwe nigacha birebuna oboreiro obwo nigo bwerere ense ya Kenya gutumika agwetani bilioni 13 una enchera eyemo oyo okoborwaria.
This is the second time it is being happened continuously in one capital since its inception. So as Kenyans, we are very, very proud of the fact that the international community recognizes us as the place to go. That is number one. Number two, in terms of the elimination of SESEFLY, I want us to realize what Kentech has done. And the scientists in our midst, Kenyan scientists who have been at work, who are recognized globally, but who perhaps we ourselves in Kenya have not quite appreciated as much as we should. And for once, you know, we are very critical of each other. We are very critical of Kenyans as Kenyans. And I think for once, let's be praiseful. These people are people to praise and to recognize as people who have achieved a milestone in eradication of sleeping sickness. It is not often that diseases are eliminated, and Kenyans have done it, and we are very, very proud of their effort, and we should celebrate our scientists for this extremely important work. I think it is also important to appreciate that SESEFLY and trypanosomiasis cost Kenyans $147 million, you know, across because of the losses, loss of work, loss of jobs, loss of animals. All put together, we are talking about a serious amount of money that we lose. And it is not just Kenya. It is the neighboring countries. It is across the sub-Saharan African, in the continent of Africa, within especially the sub-Saharan area, where the SESEFLY manifests itself in very many forms and lives within us, not just amongst the livestock, but also the animals. For example, in some of the parks, scientists have helped us eliminate the SESEFLY in rhinos, and we have seen the increase in rhinos, you know, in the country. I don't think we quite appreciate the fact that they kill not just livestock, but also animals, you know, in our game parks. So the work that is going on is important in terms of animal health, is important in terms of human health, is important in terms of our economics, is important in terms of our tourism, and therefore we have got a lot to benefit by the work that is going on in this conference here today.
Mwanchu mulgeria chideka 15 na isato chapto kiregore chinse komi chabona maragoba na abuno anko gosaba nkodera mangana maya senchira ayo bwenge kolende nsa ya maigoro no nyore sencho wekanu amona Clinton ondigi nabo go chinsa isato igoro abarenge maega yechi kamera kwene kyanga marioge chibichanku wikana chira sencho wekanu Brian Achaka Felicitas Kabendi amo ona director zak nkuganirio maragoba oromo tweru gandra gotegereke seni gito kyabene Egien Soko TV na kubwatia emerobere yonsi yoko gosemia okogoke na gokomanya buna ndeto katika korwa chinsemo au leteria nenche ngoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.